Kriel Saichon, Servus mga kabayan, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be harvesting my potatoes and giving a little update on my garden. But first, I want to give a warm shout out to some YouTube friends. A big hello to Biik and Kuting, the wonderful couple from the USA and the Philippines. A special shout out to Joycelyn Balam Vlog, her mukbang videos are always so tempting. I'd also like to say hi to Anne and her channel, It's Anne Time. If you're looking for Filipino food, this is the place to be. Shout out to my Filipino friends at Lumaga Vlog, make sure to check out their channel. And last but not least, a big hello to my gardening friend Alfred from the USA. If you'd like a shout out too, just leave a comment below and I'll mention you in my next video. This year, I picked a new spot, hoping for a better harvest. I added extra fertilizer and planted cooking potatoes. If you want to see how I planted them, check it out here. The weather was extreme this year, with heavy rain, hail and very high temperatures. Now it's time to harvest the potatoes, which have grown to a medium to large size. I'm very pleased with the result and estimated the yield to be between 8 and 10 kg. Here's a quick update on the garden. As you can see, our water spinach and moringa are doing well. We are in the middle of summer and the past few days have been very warm with no rain. The eggplants are growing nicely too. And the tomatoes, peppers, my chili peppers and beans are also doing well. After the long potato harvest, I'm now looking forward to my reward, grilled pork and fresh tomatoes from the garden. I hope I've entertained you again, my friends and kabayan. Thank you to everyone who regularly watches, comments on and likes my videos. If you are new and want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching mga kabayan. God bless us all and see you next time.